Greetings to you all. Welcome back to English grammar class. In today's class, I am going to teach you how to use can, could, and would you to talk about requests, permission, offers, and invitations. We use can to ask somebody to do something. We use can to ask somebody to do something. That means requests. When you ask somebody to do something, means when you request somebody to do something, we use can. Look at these sentences. Can you open the door please? Can you open the door please? You ask somebody to open the door, then we use can to ask somebody to do something. Can you open the door please means I request you to open the door. Can you open the door please? Can you move a little bit? Can you move a little bit? This is a polite way of asking somebody to do something. Can you move a little bit? I ask you to move a little bit please. Can you lend me your pen? When we request others to do something, we use can you. You can say, can you lend me your pen? Means I politely asking you to give me your pen. Can you lend me your pen please? The same way, can you drop me at the bus station? Can you drop me at the bus station? Can you help me lower down the basket? Can you help me lower down the basket? And the last sentence, can you fill out this application? Can you fill out? You ask somebody to do this. So this is a polite way of asking others to ask them to do something. You can say, can you fill out this application? You can use could instead of can. However, could is more polite than can. Look at these examples. Could you open the door? This is more polite than can you open the door? Can you open the door is also used to request somebody to do something. Here, by using could, we make the sentence, we make the question more polite. Could you open the door? Means I ask you more politely to open the door. Could you drop me at the station? In the same way, could you drop me at the station? Could you get me a piece of chalk? When you request somebody more politely to do something, we use could. We also use do you think you could do something? Do you think you could do something? To request somebody to do something. When you request somebody to do something, as using can, could, we also request somebody to do something with do you think you could do something? Look at these sentences. Do you think you could switch off the light? Do you think you could switch off the light? This sentence is similar to could you switch off the light? Could you switch off the light is the same as do you think you could switch off the light? And do you think you could drop me at the station? After could, we use verb 1. Do you think you could switch off the light? Do you think you could drop me at the station? You can make a number of sentences in this way. We can use would you mind doing something to request somebody to do something. This is another way of asking somebody to do something in a polite way. Look at these sentences. Would you mind opening the door? Would you mind opening the door means I want I request you to open the door, please. Would you mind opening the door? After the verb mind, we always use the ing form of the verb. We don't use present simple present verb 1. Would you mind opening the door? After mind, we always use the ing form of a verb. Would you mind lending me your pen? Don't say would you mind lend me your phone. After the verb mind, the verb follows must be ing form. It should not be an infinitive. In the same way, we also use I would be grateful if you could. I would be grateful if you could, or I would be glad if you could. I would be grateful if you could, or I would be glad if you could. Let us see these examples. I would be grateful if you could keep quiet. I would be grateful if you could keep quiet. Means I request you to be quiet. I request you to keep quiet. I would be grateful if you could teach me English. I would be grateful if you could teach me English means I want you to teach me English in a polite way. We shall see another way of requesting, another way of asking somebody to do something in a polite way. I wonder if you could, or I was wondering if you could. We use this class to ask somebody to do something in a polite way. Let us see these examples. I wonder if you could move to next seat. I wonder if you could move to next seat. After could, we use V1, verb 1. I wonder if you could move to next seat. It means I request you to move to the next seat. I wonder if you could bring my children from school. I wonder if you could bring my children from school. I request you to bring my children from school. We also use will in requests. Let us see how. Will you wait a minute, please? Will you wait a minute, please? In the same way, will you drop me at the station? Will you drop me at the station? You can use all these when we request somebody to do something. So far, we have known the different polite ways of asking somebody to do something. Now, we also use can or could to ask for things. For example, can I have an English book? When we ask for things, we can use either can or could. As I have told you, could is more polite than can. Here, can I or can we? Can I have an English book? When you want an English book, when you want things, you can ask using can. Can I have an English book? Could we have the menu, please? Could we have or could I have the menu, please? Can I have a cup of tea? Or could I have? Could we have 2 cups of tea? Could we have chairs, please? When you ask for things, you can use can or could. Can is followed by the pronoun I or we. Can I have a cup of tea? Could we have chairs, please? Could I or could we have change for rupees 500? Can I have a ticket to Old City? Can I have a ticket? You ask, when you ask for things, you can use can I have or can we have. May is also possible in this way. instead of can or could, you can use may. There is no difference. May I have an English book? No matter you use may, can or could when you ask for things. May I have an English book, or could I have an English book, or can I have an English book? This is a formal way. This is a formal way. This is may is used in more formal way. May we have the menu please? When you are in a restaurant, if you want menu, you can ask using may. May we have the menu please? We can also use can or could to ask to do something. Means when we ask permission to do something, when we ask somebody permission to do something, we use can or could. Let us see. Can I sing a song? Can I sing a song? Can I sing a song means I want you to allow me to sing a song. I want your permission to sing a song. Can I sing a song, or can we sing a song? I ask your permission to sing a song. When we ask somebody's permission to do something, we use can or could. Can I sing a song? Can I sit here? This is permission. When we ask somebody's permission, we can ask by using can I, or can we, or could I, or could we. Can I sit here? Can I pick some flowers in your garden? We are asking permission. We are asking somebody's permission to do something. Can we pick some flowers in your garden? Can I continue the class for a few minutes? I ask your permission. Can I continue the class for a few minutes? Father, can I invite my friends to birthday party? Father, can I invite? Asking father's permission to invite friends to his birthday party. So the boy asks his father, can I invite my friends? He is taking his father permission to invite his friends to his birthday party. So when we ask permission to do something, we can use can or could. Okay, look at these same sentences. Can is replaced by could. Here, as I told you, could is more polite than can. So you can take permission by using could. Could I sing a song? This is a more polite than can I sing a song. Could I sing a song? Could we sit here? Could I pick some flowers in your garden? Could I continue the class for a few minutes? Father, could I invite my friends to my birthday party? Okay, if you want the request or the sentence more polite, you can use could instead of can. Let us see the other ways of asking for permission. We use may to ask for permission. You can say, may I sing a song? May we sit here? We use may to ask permission to do something. May I or may we sing a song? May I or may we sit here? In the same way, we also use do you think I could to ask for permission. Do you think I could sing a song? Do you think I could sing a song? Do you think I could sit here? Do you think I could sit here? It is a permission. We are asking permission to sit here. Do you think we could play here? Do you think we could play here means we are asking somebody's permission to play here. In the same way, you can also use do you mind if I do something. Do you mind if I sing a song? Do you mind if I sing a song? Means I ask your permission to sing a song. Do you mind if I sit here? This is also permission. Do you mind if I sing a song? Do you mind if I sit here? These are the different ways of asking permission to do something. Let's see some other ways of asking permission. You can use would you mind if I did something? Would you mind if I did something? Look at these statements. Would you mind if I picked some flowers? Here we use verb to. Remember this? When we ask permission using would you mind if I did something? Would you mind if I picked some flowers? In if class we use verb to. Would you mind if I picked some flowers? This is also one of the ways of asking for permission. Would you mind if I sat here? Don't say sit. Would you mind if I sat here? The same way, is it okay or alright if I do something? Is it okay or alright if I park my bike here? Is it alright? Is it okay if I park my bike here? Is it okay or alright if I leave office a little early? If I leave office a little early, is it okay means I am asking the permission. Would it be a problem if I do something? We can also use this clause to ask for permission. Would it be a problem if I pay on Google Pay? I ask you, can I pay on Google Pay? I ask you, can I pay on Google Pay? This is similar to can or could. Would it be a problem if I do something? Would it be a problem if I pay on Google Pay? Or would it be a problem if I use a pen instead a pencil? These are the ways of asking permission in addition to can or could. Can and could also be used to offer to do something. When we offer to do something, we can use can and could. Can I help you? I offer to do something. I offer to do something. Can I help you or could I help you? The bag looks heavy. Can I carry it? Can I carry the bag? I offer somebody to do something. Could I get you some coffee? You look tired. Could I get you some coffee? Can I or can I help you? When we offer to do something, somebody we use can or could. Sir, could we help you move the table? Sir, could we help you move the table? Can I tidy the room by the time you get back? I offer this. Can I tidy the room by the time you get back? In this way, we also use can could when we offer to do something. We use would you to offer something. When we offer something, we use would you. Would you like some cake? When you offer somebody some cake, you can offer in this way. Would you like some cake? Would you like one more biscuit? Would you like something to eat? Would you like something to eat? Means would you like eat something? What would you like? Some juice or cool drink? This is offer. We offer some juice or cool drink. This is the way of offering somebody something. We also use would you in invitations. To invite somebody, we use would you like. Would you like to eat with us tonight? Would you like to eat with us tonight? We invite you to eat with us tonight. Would you like to come to cinema tomorrow? we invite you to come to cinema with us tomorrow. Would you like to attend my birthday party? I invite you to attend my birthday party. In this way, we use would you like or would you like when we offer things, as well as when we invite somebody, we use would you like. We say I would like when we ask what we want in a polite way. We use I would like when this is a polite way of asking what you want. I would like is a polite way of asking what you want. Look at these examples. I would like some information about him. I would like some information means I want some information. I would like is nothing but I want, but I would like is more polite than want. So we use I would like some information about him. When we want information, we can ask in this way. I would like some information. This is a polite way of asking what you want. I would like one more banana. You want one more banana. If you ask someone, you can ask this way. I would like one more banana. This is a polite way of asking what you want. I would like a piece of paper. I would like a piece of paper. I would like to try on this jacket, please. When you go to a cloth store or when you go to a shop, you can ask, I would like to try on this jacket, please. This is a polite way of asking what you want. I would like to ask you some questions. I would like to ask you some question means I want to ask you some question. But here would like indicates some politeness. Okay, in this way we use can, could and would you. Thank you. We will meet again in next class.